equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open the laptop and avoid any static damage to the components. First, power off your HP 15DA0031NS and disconnect it from any power source. Next, remove the battery by unscrewing the screws that secure it in place. This step is crucial for your safety and to prevent any electrical issues during the repair. Once the battery is removed, use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. After removing the screws, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. With the back panel removed, locate the charging port. It is usually situated near the edge of the laptop. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean the area around the charging port. Dust and debris can interfere with the connection, so using a can of compressed air can be very helpful here. Now, you will need to disconnect the old charging port. Look for the small screws that hold it in place and remove them using your Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently pull the charging port away from the motherboard. If you find it difficult to remove, check for any additional clips or connectors that may be holding it in place. At this point, if you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. After removing the old charging port, take your new charging port and align it with the connectors on the motherboard. Ensure it fits snugly before securing it with the screws you previously removed. Once the new charging port is in place, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Start by replacing the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently until it clicks into place. Then, use your Phillips screwdriver to secure the screws back into their original positions. Finally, reinsert the battery and ensure it is firmly in place. Power on your laptop to test the new charging port. If everything is working correctly, you should see the charging indicator light up. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember that we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. You can also get a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. No calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to get your laptop fixed without the hassle. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.